Example 17 on page 504. Find the square root of negative 16 squared. Solution. So this is, when you see this symbol right here, this radical, it means there's a 2 here, which means the kth root, or the k is equal to 2. Now recall, if k is even, you would have, when you simplify this, it will equal to absolute value of a. Okay? Now, this equal to absolute value of a, we use the absolute value when k right here is even, okay? Because we don't see this here, it means 2, and 2 is even. When you see the k is even, you always use the absolute value when you simplify the radical. Alright, now, the reason this equal to absolute value of a without any, there's no k any longer. The reason is that you take this k from the exponent of a, okay, the k from the exponent of a, you divide by the k here. And when you simplify, you have absolute value of a, k divided by k is 1. Simplify, you have absolute value of a. That's the reason why you have this formula right here, when k is even. Alright, let me get back to what we have here. So we're given here absolute value of negative 16 squared. Okay? You don't see this, it means k is 2 and 2 is even, right? But that means when you simplify this, you will use the absolute value. Okay? Negative 16 here is non-negative, meaning negative 16 is negative, okay? So we have absolute value of negative 16, and this 2 right here will be simplified to 1. Again, I can show you how this radical simplified to this. The reason is we take this 2 right here, the exponent of negative 16, divide by the 2 right here, okay, the k equal 2. Simplify, you have negative 16. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Simplify further, you have absolute value of negative 16. And 1 is just 1. And this is how you saw this example 17. Now, for this example, this can be the answer, or this can be also the answer as well. So because absolute value of any number you learned in the previous sections or earlier chapters, that absolute values of any value is a positive value. Okay. Now, so you can simplify this to positive 16. Absolute value of negative 16 is positive 16. So this is the answer for simplifying the square root of negative 16 squared.